Hello everyone. Today I would like to share with you a project I'm working on. It's named GraphShard. But before we dive in, let me just talk about why I'm doing this. Currently, I'm in a situation where I'm stacking a lot of side projects and different ideas that I would love to work on, and I'm not really doing anything with that. Recently, I also saw that a lot of people are posting their work on YouTube in the form of devlogs, and most of them are game developers, but I decided to do it for my software as a service project. So let's talk about the problem that I had to face. There are different tools online currently that would allow me to create a system design graph in an easy way, but none of them for some reason was what I was looking for. So I tried Draw.io or Excalibur, but whenever I had to discuss with colleagues about the architecture of some system, I would struggle to find what tool I have to use or what specific functionality I'm looking for into a tool. They were not intuitive enough for me. So I decided to create my own one. This is a situation where there are already a lot of tools and you decide to create just another one because you think that that's the final solution. But for me, it's just because I wanted to create something to share with people and because I think that this tool is more suitable for me. So as a personal requirement, I decided that this tool has to do just one thing and do it right. This is graph creation. It has to be easy to use and I want to be able to create those graphs and share it with people without having to struggle. Before we dive in how to use this tool, I would like to make sure that we are on the same page with the terms that we are using. And these are nodes. A node inside of the graph is the main unit. And you can compose those nodes together, you can connect them or group them. So a group is a collection of nodes. Let's start by creating a node. As you can see, it's as easy as just right-clicking on the canvas and selecting the Create Node option. When you do that, a pop-up will appear and it will allow you to choose what kind of node you want to create. As you can see, there are different options. Most of them are from AWS, but you can just create it by double-clicking on one of them. Once you have multiple nodes already created, you can connect them with each other. And to do so, it's the same operation as with creating it. You just right-click on top of one of the nodes, and the connect option will appear. Now, you can select another node, and it will immediately connect it with the first one. As mentioned before, you can also create groups of nodes, and this is as easy as moving two nodes close together. As soon as the first node is close to the other one, they will create a temporary group. And this group can be edited in the same way as you connect nodes, so by right-clicking on top of the group and selecting the Edit option. This will allow you to change the type of the group. So, for example, if you want to have an EC2 auto-scaling option, you can just right-click, press Edit, and select the right option for you. Groups can be also nested. In order to do that, you have to select multiple nodes that are on the same level and then right-click and press the option Group. Once you are done with your graph, you can share it with your friends or the people that you are working with. To do so, just click on the top right option, Share, and you will be able to share your link both in viewer mode or editor mode. If you want, you can also export the graph you created with a PNG or JPEG option. Currently, there are only AWS nodes available inside of GraphShard, but soon I will add more. This is because I found a good library that was containing a lot of these icons, so I was able to do it. But I would like to also add GCP or Microsoft Azure, or also some custom nodes. I also created a website where you can see what is the vision and the goal of the project, and you can check it out at https://graphshard.com. The website was actually created with WordPress and then it was statically exported. For the backend, I decided to use Nest.js and Firebase authentication, while for the web application part, I went with Nuxt.js and the graph part is realized with Cytoscape.js. For the future work, I think I will just extend the node library for now and eventually add a team live edit functionality to allow multiple people to work on the same graph at the same moment. Thank you for your attention and see you in the next one.